and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're talking Ofra Cosmetics. Ofra is actually having a huge 35% off site-wide sale until March 26th. So my plan is to get this video up to you all ASAP. Now, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda. If you are returning, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. You're probably asking yourself, Rhonda, where the hell you been? Y'all. Okay, I work full-time and I go to school full-time for functional medicine. So when y'all thought I was a hot scatterbrained mess before, let me just tell you, I'm putting the hot in a hot mess like something fierce, okay? I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. So yeah, long form content and even short gets up over here when I can. I do upload pretty regular over on my fashion channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and I do have a third channel, Hotmess in the House, where I talk more about health and wellness. It's been a couple weeks over there too, okay? Your girl can only do so much, all right? There's one of me that's almost 50 and I'm in like 50 different directions. I know. But the one thing that I always love to make a video on, and no, this video is not sponsored, is when Ofra Cosmetics has their site-wide sale and they also dropped their mystery box. That's when I'm like, oh my gosh, ladies, it is time to stock up. So I will pop it up. I think it's like spring 35 or something. That is going to get you 35% off site-wide. And that also means site-wide, including the bundles. Another bundle I wanted to talk about was one that I recently picked up from Ofra, and this is their mini skin care kit for dry skin. Let me tell you, if you have wackadoodle weather or you burned your face off, if you watched my Ipsy unboxing, I talked about how I disrupted my skin barrier once again. Y'all know my girl Jody and I, a couple years ago, I burnt my skin and she was like, Rhonda, what are you doing? Listen, I'm blaming this one on the other bestie, Nicole, all right? She got me into the Rachel Zoe project, I think is what it's called, and I was relaxing in the tub watching Rachel Zoe project or whatever it's called, because when it actually released in like 2008, I was a single mom and couldn't afford cable. So I'm catching up decades later, and I put the Kate Somerville Exfoliate on and left it on way longer than I was supposed to because I really got into watching that show. So my skin barrier is a mess currently. So thankfully I have this and it's really been helping. So I did want to go over the stuff in here before we get into the mystery box unboxing. Listen, your girl hasn't sat down in here and chatted skincare, makeup, BS with y'all in a hot minute. So is this video going to be for everybody? No, it's not. And that's okay. Scroll away. But if it is for you, I definitely welcome you to stick around, stay, click that button, like, follow. What do they say? Subscribe, follow, share. Just stick around and say, hey, girl, hey. All right, in here, you are going to get, fast math, when you're really tired, 7 products. We're going to go with that. It's literally everything you need for your skincare, and I'm loving. So we've got the Revitalizing Cleanser, all right? This is a great little travel size. It is going to get you through TSA. And from there, we do have the eye makeup remover. This works really, really well. I love it, and it does not irritate my eyes whatsoever. This also takes off if you have any type of like lip stain or anything. It removes that. You're also going to get the toner, the essential toner, very nice, very hydrating, very whatever. Here's what I'm geeking out that I love, that my skin drinks it up in the best way, the collagen serum. Love this. And then you also get the vitamin C cream. Now this actually smells like a sunscreen. Like every single day my husband's like, you got sunscreen on? Listen, I know I'm supposed to have it on every day, but mind your business, all right? No. But this smells divine. And it definitely gives your skin that nice glowy deliciousness. That nice, oh, she's been drinking her water, which I am doing my best. I am doing my best, all right? Then we have the Radiance Face and Body Scrub and the Soft Petal Peel. Love both of these. They are not too harsh on my skin. I am giving my skin a little bit of a break from them because of what I did to the skin barrier. But these are really nice and gentle, especially if you have dry skin. So if you are looking for trying out some of their skincare products, I personally would recommend picking up the little mini size first. And then maybe there's just like 1 or 2 products out of here that you're like, yes, I die. That is bananas. If you know, you know. Then you can go and pick it up separately in the full size. If you have oily skin, they have an oily skin kit too. And then let's jump over to the mystery bundle before some of my restocks that I show you all. Now, the mystery bundle is available for like $41 and change currently with that sale. Now, once the sale is over, you're going back to paying like 60 some bucks for this bundle, which is still a great deal. But ladies, if you can get it for 40 some dollars, girl math, let's do that. We've got a pressed powder. Oh, we've got their banana powder. I remember getting this in a BoxyCharm literally in like circa what, 2017, and being so excited and always wanting it to smell like bananas. Matter of fact, it was like a little, what do they call those, Odette or something, that a magnetic thing. So, and now, just so you know, Ofra has these new cases where it's like a try. And so you open it up and you've got your little powder puff right down in here, which I think is really handy dandy. And then of course you've got your little mirror. So nice and full size of everything that I'm showing you in this box from the looks of it. Next in here, oh my gosh, this highlighter was actually in my, let's see if it's right here. The Project Influencer they did in, what was it, 2022? I think? 23? I don't know. All the Lights. That was the highlighter that I put in my picks. This is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I personally chose it for the palette I did with them because it has all the different colors in there. And then when you whirl it around, I feel like each time you do that, you're always going to kind of get a different shade. So I love that they include that. Next in here, oh, we've got the full-size Precision Gel Don't Play Brow Gel. Oh my gosh, this stuff is actually really, really good. Yes. Oh, do you guys remember when this first released? I was like so obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, this is actually really good. What I love about it, let's see if I've got a brush sitting here. I do not. Anyways, what I love about it is the fact that this is what it looks like, and it doesn't end up giving you any type of white cast to your brows whatsoever, and it'll keep them in place. One little tip, if you're like, well, Rhonda, it's clear, I need a little bit of color on my brows. Ladies, let me just tell you, if you have, actually I've got it sitting here, my mini mix palette, I actually have a shade in there that is going to be perfect. Actually, 2 shades in there that's going to be perfect for your brows. So if you end up, you already have my palette, the Unconditional palette, and you get this brow gel in your box, which I don't know how they've curated each one, but if you happen to get it and you need color, just use the 2 shades here. I specifically did that on purpose. Not only so you can like put a little liner in there, but you can also use it on the brow. This palette is literally a full face palette. Love that they've included the brow gel. I don't think they've ever done that before, so love that they changed it up. All right, my absolute favorite is their mascara. I have it on today. It just keeps your lashes like nice and fluffy and long, and it doesn't like dry out your lashes. It's just so flipping good. So do not sleep on this box, guys. This is excellent. We do have one of their lip liners. This is in the shade Spicy. I don't know if I'm going to like this one. To be honest, it looks like it's very orangey. Let's swatch her. Oh, okay. Pleasantly surprised. It is definitely more of a nude. I was so worried. I honestly thought that was going to be way too orange for me, but low-key, I love it. I will definitely use this shade for sure. And then we got a long-lasted liquid lippy in the shade Los Olas. See, now this one, little too orangey undertone, but let's see what happens when we swatch it. Because I may end up being like, oh my god, I absolutely love. And I do. That's funny. It's definitely, like, to me, it has more of an orange undertone, but once I swatch it, it's definitely more neutral. It's definitely more neutral than I expected, so I think this is perfect. And the fact that they were awesome and paired it with a lip liner that you're actually going to want to wear with this liquid lippy. Genius. Next in here we have a lip gloss, and this one is in natural, and honestly this actually looks like it's going to pair beautifully with the liquid lippy and with the liner. I really like that color. I think I have it maybe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's beautiful. Alright, so pairing those three together, that is just genius. I love that they did that. It's not like an afterthought whatsoever. You are getting a true, beautiful trio in here. See, good job, Ofra. I do like that. That's one thing I do not like, is when brands throw together a mystery box and it's like all the extras that didn't sell or something. And then the last thing we are getting in here is a mini mix palette. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Alright, this is the Plum Crush palette. This is really pretty. You got your bronzer, you got your blush, you got a highlighter, you've got deepening shades, you've got beautiful shimmers and satins in here. Very, very pretty. Blissful is the highlighter, and then we have Cherish and Current down here. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is perfect for the spring too. So that is everything in the mystery bundle for Ofra. Again, this is only $41. $41. While you're there, I would highly recommend picking up and looking into some of your favorites. So for me, let me just tell you what I stocked up on and forgot to stock up on. So the one thing I forgot to stock up on, and I just put it back in my makeup bag, was the Creamy Cashmere palette. If you, once again, use my Unconditional palette, I feel like the Creamy Cashmere palette complements the shades in my palette beautifully. From the highlighter to the bronzer, blush, everything. It is just the perfect little trio. So if you like to set your cream products then with powders, I would highly recommend getting the Unconditional palette. Like I told you guys, this is a full face, day to night. Then it does a little bit more. And you can use that for your brows. You can use it to deepen the outer V. And of course, if for some reason Bittersweet, the bronzer contour, is a little too dark for you, just go ahead and mix it right up here. Mix those shades together, or just use that on your own. It's going to be beautiful. I also stocked up on another Butterfly Kisses, another makeup fixer. Ooh. And I put the mascara away. I also stocked up on another one of their mascaras because they are so good. And then one of their lip liners. Anyways, if you are looking to restock, do a little spring refresh, if you will, with your makeup, highly recommend checking out Ofra. I will have everything linked for you guys for direct purchase. If you want to go ahead and shop any of my links, thank you. I'll make them affiliate links. So I greatly, greatly appreciate it. But this is a heck of a deal. Like, 40 some bucks, you can't beat it. Because even when the sale is ended and you decide, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up and use your coupon code, my coupon code is only going to get you 20% off. So this is far better of a deal than if you could use the coupon code. I know. Thank you to Ofra for sending this mystery bundle box over my way to show everybody off the great deals that you're finding in here. And of course, I'm going to hop off and edit this for you guys, get it up to you guys as soon as possible so you can pick up these amazing deals. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on my other channels, and you know what to do. You like, share, follow, all the things. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye. Feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about